Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to prevent the Enter as Send feature on WhatsApp Web from accidentally sending your messages. If you've ever hit the Enter key and sent a message before you were ready, this guide will help you take control of your chats. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the WhatsApp website and scanning the QR code using your phone. Once logged in, you'll see your chat interface ready to go. Next, look for the Settings icon. This is represented by a gear symbol located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Once inside the Settings menu, select Chats from the list of options. This section allows you to manage various chat preferences and customize your experience. Now, locate the option labeled Enter is Send. If this feature is enabled, pressing the Enter key will immediately send your message. To disable it, simply uncheck or toggle off this option. By doing so, pressing Enter will no longer send your message. It will instead allow you to add line breaks. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Enter as Send feature on WhatsApp Web. Now you can type freely without worrying about accidentally sending messages before they're complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.